Mine's updated, but with the stock motor, the F-16's faster. Yeah, and I have a Blue Angel at home. I have the same one as Ricky. Oh no, yeah, I have the 90 that Ricky has. But Jay, yeah, Jay's. Just a little bit. See, you gotta wait till you're almost at a complete stop before you turn. Otherwise, it'll flip.
Take off flaps. Time clear.
Alright, let's see.
Taking off the flaps?
Always a little bit.
Looks a lot easier to fly.
It's about the same. It's a different fan. Yeah, they are. The difference. The F-18 has a different silhouette. It looks different. No, it's pretty good. It's just it's not as forgiving as the F-16. The F-16 stalls and drops his nose. This one will like flip upside down, but it takes a lot to get there. Out the way, bird.
So your scheme that you did, is that like a real?
Yeah, it's from Lemoore.
Oh really?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
It used to be. I mean, they don't fly it. They don't have it anymore.
Black Knights?
Yeah. Squadron somewhere else now. Vampires? Tighten that fan again. Yeah, let's do it again. Before I leave today, I'll set it and put Loctites. See, it's already starting to buzz. It's not bad. Maybe it's the same. Fly off to the side. I have it on a switch, so I just flip the button and it tells me what the time is.
Basically full throttle the entire time?
I go on and off. It's a Jet Ranger. I see it. Or is it? Or a Eurocrop? I can't tell. It's a little noisy. Alright. Gear pass. I see the gear, so I'm just going to come in. No flaps.
It must be hard landing that thing with such a short wingspan.
No, it's not bad. Whoa, whoa. Wind.
See, that's the problem I had with my F-16.
Got all crazy. It normally doesn't do that.
Well, we got a little bit of crosswinds to the left.
That's alright. That's why.
Beautiful, young sir.
Alright, I gotta tighten that thing down. What is that noise? Water? It's buzzy again. I gotta tighten it down.